Benji. That's two different things.
Bro, Benji, shut up, KJ.
Because
it's
I
so
fucked
painful
somebody.
how clueless you are.
How clueless I am. What do you mean? I'm not
Bro,
clueless.
you've dated every girl you fucked.
That's true.
Well,
You
yeah.
said I love you to every girl you fucked. Are you kidding me?
No, that is not true. What the fuck do you mean? I never said that.
Okay, tell me
What
which
about
girl. Tell me which. Yeah, you. I bet you said I love you to Riley.
No.
You didn't have time. You were about to that day, and you found
Too
out she was
busy
dating a
sharing all the
goddamn cop.
lockers and stuff. No.
See that?
Fucked.
Even the fucking bird
Even
knows,
the beach
man.
chicken knows.
I'm fucking fucked.
Even a goddamn beach rat knows about this shit.
Well, shit. Get
Bro.
fucked, I guess.
I wouldn't be surprised if Mario